Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC P1454, indicates a problem within the fuel tank pressure, FTP sensor circuit, specifically related to range or performance issues. The FTP sensor plays a crucial role in the evaporative emissions control system by monitoring the pressure inside the fuel tank. Its location is typically found in the fuel tank or connected to the evaporative canister. Depending on the design of the Honda Fit from 2015 to 2020, when the FTP sensor fails to deliver the expected voltage or pressure readings, it can lead to increased emissions and potential performance issues. It's essential to address this DTC promptly to maintain vehicle efficiency and compliance with environmental standards. This troubleshooting guide will help identify and resolve the underlying issue related to DTC P1454. The FTP sensor is integral to the vehicle's evaporative emissions control system, which prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. This sensor monitors the pressure within the fuel tank, enabling the Engine Control Module, ECM, to evaluate whether the system is sealed and functioning correctly. Typically found in the fuel tank area, the FTP sensor's readings help manage fuel flow and minimize emissions. When the FTP sensor experiences range or performance problems, it can disrupt the vehicle's operation, leading to decreased fuel efficiency and possible emission testing failures. Comprehensive understanding of this sensor's role is crucial for effective diagnostics and repairs. There are several potential causes for the P1454 code. One common culprit is a faulty FTP sensor, which may not be providing accurate readings due to internal failure. Alternatively, blockage in the vent hoses connected to the FTP sensor may prevent proper pressure monitoring, leading to range or performance issues. Additionally, inadequate power supply to the FTP sensor can cause erratic behavior, contributing to the DTC. Each of these factors can impede the efficient operation of the evaporative emissions system, impacting both performance and regulatory compliance. Identifying these causes is the first step toward a successful resolution. The symptoms associated with the P1454 code can significantly affect vehicle performance. Most notably, the check engine light will illuminate, alerting the driver to a potential issue. Additionally, there may be noticeable poor fuel economy as the engine compensates for the faulty readings from the FTP sensor. Drivers might also face challenges during emissions testing, as a malfunctioning FTP sensor can lead to elevated emissions. If you experience any of these symptoms, it is vital to address the DTC P1454 promptly to avoid further complications and ensure the vehicle operates efficiently and within legal standards. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P1454 involves preparing the vehicle for diagnostics. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on position, ensuring all electrical systems are active without starting the engine. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any existing diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. This action resets the monitoring systems, allowing for a fresh evaluation of the vehicle's operational status. After clearing the DTC, check the parameters related to the FTP sensor with the HDS. It's essential to verify if the conditions fall within the specified threshold of -0.67 to 0.67 kilopascals. If the current conditions match the threshold, proceed to Step 2. Otherwise, move to Step 5 for further investigation. In the second step, the focus shifts to verifying the problem through additional diagnostics. First, install the fuel fill cap securely. A loose or improperly sealed cap can mimic FTP sensor issues. Clear the DTC again with the HDS and start the engine, allowing it to idle without load until the radiator fan activates. As the engine runs, monitor the evaporative purge control duty, evap PC duty, via the data list on the HDS, maintaining an engine speed of 3,000 RPM for at least 4 minutes. This step assesses the vapor management system's operation under load. Lastly, check the OBD status specifically for DTC P1454 on the HDS. If it indicates a failure, this confirms the issue is present, prompting a move to step 3. If the status shows passed, it may suggest an intermittent issue. In the third troubleshooting step, clear the DTC again with the HDS to reset the system. Next, turn the vehicle to the off position before disconnecting the evap canister vent hose from the vent shut valve port. This action is crucial for evaluating the venting system's condition. With the vent hose disconnected, turn the vehicle back to the on position and utilize the HDS to check the FTP sensor parameters once more. Ensure the readings still fall within the specified threshold of -0.67 to 0.67 kilopascals. If the conditions match, check for any blockages further downstream, such as the vent hose or drain. Should the parameters not match, proceed to Step 4 for additional checks. Step 4 requires evaluating the operation of the evap canister vent shut valve. Begin by turning the vehicle to the off mode before removing the valve from its housing. Ensure the valve remains connected to its respective 2P connector. After reconnection, turn the vehicle to the on position and use the HDS to select the evap test within the inspection menu. Perform the single solenoid action with the HDS to activate the valve and observe its operation closely. The valve should function without issues and be free of corrosion, indicating that it operates effectively. If the valve is operational and in good condition, move on to Step 5. Conversely, if it shows signs of wear or malfunction, it will need replacement. In the fifth step, the focus shifts to the FTP sensor vent hose. Start by disconnecting the vent hose from the FTP sensor. This allows for a direct assessment of the hose. Once disconnected, check the parameters again using the HDS. It's crucial to verify that the FTP sensor readings still align within the threshold of -0.67 to 0.67 kPa. If the readings are acceptable, the issue might reside within the vent hose, which should be inspected for blockages. Blockages in either the vent hose or the sensor itself can significantly impact performance, resulting in error codes. If current conditions do not match, proceed to Step 6. The final troubleshooting step addresses the FTP sensor itself. Begin by turning the vehicle to the off position once more. Carefully remove the FTP sensor from its mounting on the evap canister, ensuring the connector remains attached during testing. With the sensor removed, turn the vehicle back to the on position and use the HDS to check its parameter readings yet again. If the readings indicate acceptable conditions, it suggests the FTP sensor port is functioning correctly. However, if irregularities are observed, it would point to an internal failure of the FTP sensor, necessitating its replacement. Additionally, if internal blockages are suspected, the evap canister itself may require replacement, thus addressing the root cause of the DTC P1454. After completing all necessary repairs related to DTC P1454, it is crucial to verify the effectiveness of the intervention. Start by clearing the fault codes again using the HDS, resetting the engine's diagnostic data. Taking the vehicle on a test drive allows for real-world conditions to be evaluated. During this drive, monitor the vehicle's performance, ensuring there are no lingering symptoms related to the STP sensor or the evaporative emission system. After the test drive, recheck all systems with the HDS to ensure the DTC has not reappeared, confirming that the repairs have resolved the initial issue effectively. A thorough verification process helps ensure long-lasting results and optimal vehicle functionality. To prevent recurring issues relating to DTC P1454, implementing a robust preventive maintenance plan is essential. Regular inspections of the evaporative emission system can help identify potential problems before they escalate. Part of this maintenance should include periodic checks of the vent hoses for blockages or deterioration. Ensuring that all connections and seals, including the fuel fill cap, are secure and in good condition is crucial for maintaining system integrity. Regularly planned maintenance not only enhances vehicle performance, but can also extend the lifespan of critical components, reducing the likelihood of unexpected failures. Staying proactive in your vehicle care will yield significant long-term benefits. In summary, addressing DTC P1454 involves a systematic approach to diagnosing and resolving issues related to the FTP sensor circuit. Understanding the sensor's role and the consequences of its failure is key to effective troubleshooting. By following the outlined steps and utilizing the HDS for diagnostics, technicians can accurately pinpoint the cause of the problem and effect necessary repairs. Furthermore, regular monitoring and preventive maintenance measures can aid in sustaining the health of the evaporative emission system, thereby keeping the vehicle functioning optimally while complying with emissions regulations. Proactive attention to this system leads to more efficient operation and enhanced vehicle longevity. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.